welcome.
Or welcome back to our channel
Unicorn Diaries. I am Anju.
And I'm Granthali.
And I'm Samira.
So guys, we are vlogging today.
Today is 6th of March and it is 12:30. So we are gonna vlog this day because we are going out. So we thought कि कुछ कर लेते हैं.
लेकिन हम लोग को बहुत काम है.
Yeah.
As in we have to go
to the bank. Then we have to
buy some things.
Yeah, buy some things, and she's buying a new phone.
Yes.
So we are going to see that also. So yeah, it's a long day and we are going to do a weekly vlog as such.
Yeah.
So
and also we are going to Ville Parle. We'll show you the market around कि क्या cost में क्या मिलता है. तो sort of so we'll explore the market there and हम लोग थोड़ा आपको pricing बता देंगे कि कैसे क्या range में ऐसे होता है. So keep on watching and without any further ado, let's get started.
now we have reached Ville Parle station. Now let's just start exploring the streets. Chalo.
हम लोग को ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं मिला, जस्ट अ चप्पल. एंड नाउ वी आर इन मिनीसो. लेट्स सी.
Miniso is the best soft toys.
रील बनाना मैंने
Sorry. We are not traveling anytime soon. Oh, it's so soft, man.
दे दो ना. अगर तो यूट्यूब पे जाएगा और लोग आएंगे और आप दे दो ना. अभी मेरे को दे दो ये साइज का. तो 5 चीजें ले रहे हो, वो 2 ले रही हूँ, मैं 2 ले रही हूँ. दिस इज कॉल्ड बार्गेनिंग गाइस.
We are shit tired, guys. Did you success in bargaining?
हम लोग ने सोचा था ज्यादा कुछ नहीं लेंगे.
पैसे संपा आता. चला आता घरी.
कितने का ये? 200 में दोगे? हाँ?
Hey guys, so it is around 6:50 and I just came from Malad and had a bath and now टुडे इज़ माई मॉम्स बर्थडे, सो मैं आते टाइम केक लेके आई थी एंड आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग स्पेशल बट जस्ट शी डजंट नो कि मैं केक लेके आई हूँ. सो आई विल जस्ट क्रिएट अ वाइब and something like that, just trying to make her feel special. So yeah. Okay Google, play happy birthday song.
Happy Birthday by Sachin Sanvi. Sure.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, it is 7th of March. So if you are wondering कि मैंने इतना ड्रेसअप क्यों किया है, एक्चुअली हम लोग के कॉलेज में वुमेंस डे का फंक्शन है. सो वी आर टेकिंग पार्ट, ग्रंथाली एंड मी, मतलब और भी लोग हैं. सो हम लोग को एक पोएम के लिए एक वीडियो बनाना है. सो एवरीवन इज सेइंग ईच पैराग्राफ. सो या इसलिए, एंड दिस इज ओढ़नी एंड आई एम वेयरिंग अ क्रॉप टॉप एंड उसके नीचे शॉर्ट्स है. सो only this much part will be seen on camera. So let's go. नवा संसार, नवे कुटुंब, एका आयुष्यातील दुसरे जन्म. नवऱ्याचे आयुष्य आपल्या समजणारी, नवऱ्याच्या घरात माणसात रमून जाणारी, अशी असते एक सौभाग्यवती.
कसे वर्णन करू मी तुझे, कोण आहेस ग तू? देवाची करणी आणि नारळाचे पाणी, प्रत्येकीला मिळत नाही एक जीवनदायी आई.
The event is about to begin, and I will have the speech. I have to recite the thank you speech. So yeah, देख के ही बोलना है वैसे तो, but still, I'm just for a good talk. And some That's it. Am I recording?
A few moments later.
Okay. So good morning one and all. It's such a lovely day. I, Granthali Karanjokar, from MMS first year, extends a warm welcome. So today we have gathered here to celebrate International Women's Day. So I would like to share my thoughts about this wonderful day. Let me wish a happy Women's Day to all the beautiful and courageous women present here. International Women's Day is celebrated across the world. Every year, marks one of the achievements of many women. It is celebrated to express appreciation, respect, and love towards all the women. Women are always a source of inspiration, whether it is engineering, medical, defense, sports, technology. It is a very powerful
how a woman also balances her personal life and nurtures a family. So just one last thing to all the amazing ladies. Despite all the failures, you stand up. Despite all the sorrows, you cheer up. Despite all the pain, you keep fighting. Keep dreaming and fly high. Keep rocking as always. Thanks.
Later.
To propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. All the participants for their wonderful and inspiring contribution on this occasion. Last but not the least, I thank all my friends for your cooperation in making this function a resounding success. Finally, I leave you this inspiring quote by Michelle Obama. Just do what works for you because there will always be someone who thinks differently. And with this, I conclude today's session. Thank you everyone for joining me.
3 hours later.
आज हम लोग ने बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं किया है. We were busy eating
sleeping in.
Yes.
So it's 8:10 right now, and now we leave.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So today is 10th of March and it is
3/8, as you can see.
yes.
And we are studying. We are completing our assignments and we wanted to let you know कि हम लोग का 15 से internal exams है. So we won't be posting next week.
Yeah.
ये vlog I guess चला जाएगा. We will edit and keep this, but कुछ shoot नहीं करेंगे.
या मोस्टली ये वीक में भी एक ही वीडियो हो गया है, नेक्स्ट वीक ऑल्सो एक ही वीडियो जाएगा, लाइक एज वी पोस्ट ऑन वेडनेसडे एंड सैटरडे. सो वो नहीं हो पाएगा, जस्ट 2 days, just 2 weeks. So yeah, and we are studying as you can see. And Snow is sleeping there. You can see बहुत मस्ती किया है उसने and अभी she is sleeping.
Sorry, I'm not पढ़ाई कर रहा है guys. ये accent है ना वो पावड़ी की वजह से हो रहा है. So don't blame us for this. चलो.
Hi guys.
It is 5:45.
Yes.
And we are done with one subject, that is math.
Yes.
And ignore the background noise, kids are playing there. And we are making pasta, red sauce pasta.
Yes.
And Samida is cutting vegetables here. And what to say?
Yeah. So in this vlog only we have earlier we went to Parla station for shopping and also the Irla market. So we were just discussing on that only कि वो वीडियो अलग से डाले या फिर कंबाइन करें, क्योंकि vlog वैसे भी बहुत लंबा चला है. We have vlog for a week, I guess. So we were thinking that only. So
Yeah, we are thinking to make a separate video on Irla market and Parla ka market, Parla station ka market, because we have bought some things also, तो उसमें haul भी हो जाएगा. So
and also we have explored the whole market and also vlog भी बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा भी नहीं होना चाहिए, 10-15 minutes is okay. So yeah, क्योंकि exams भी है, so we have to schedule that video also. But also we are planning next month कि हम लोग mostly सब outdoors ही video करने वाले हैं. So we are planning to do a Malad वाला video, Malad shopping video. Then we are going to go Kulava.
So we are doing a hell lot of vlogs and hauls in the next coming month.
Yes.
And also ये vlog में इरला वाला हम लोग haul करेंगे. It would not look good because it is a vlog और उसमें haul
Exactly.
Yeah, so we'll make a separate video for that, and vlog के लिए we'll continue
The vlog.
Yeah.
As of now.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna see what's going on. Samita wants to cut her hair now. So Anju is helping her out.
कितना short, फिर ज़्यादा short भी करने का इसलिए.
हाँ, मेरा याद है. Short करो, एकदम ही short ही हो गया था.
Hi guys, I am the cameraman now, and
Cameraman Anju rolling.
yeah, and salon expert Granthali is cutting layers on Samida's hair.
Guys, I'm so sorry for that accent.
We are used to it.
Yeah.
Layers, oh my gosh.
8:01 p.m.
So hi guys, it's now it's 8:31. Checking in right now. So actually we were shooting the haul video. As we said earlier कि हम लोग अलग से video कर रहे हैं, so it was an impromptu decision that we'll be shooting the BTS. So I'll show you the behind the scenes right now. today is
11th of March.
11th of March and आज महाशिवरात्रि है. So अभी हम लोग मंदिर आए हैं, as you can see.
And I forgot my mask.
Excellent. Okay, so now let's go.
Genau, Boschüre.
Okay, so we ordered this watch a while ago.
4 to 5 days only. I
4 to 5 days ago we
Yeah.
received our watch.
Okay, so it is from our first salary.
Yes.
So we wanted to buy something that stays with us forever. So yeah, we bought this, and
Yes.
so the bracelet comes along with the watch, and it has written Scorpio on it because we are Scorpions.
Yes. So it's from the brand Joker and Witch. I saw the Instagram advertisement. So it has many options and it's
Yeah.
so pretty and also it's inexpensive. This was for something.
It was for around 3,500 or 700 something, but we got two, so we got 50% off, and it cost us around 2,800, I guess. It was for per watch, not both of the
Yeah, we
watch.
got something off on.
Yeah.
It was like a 10 or 20% off, but when we when we added two watches together, so we got plus 10 or 15%
Yeah.
off. So that retails to per watch is 2,700 or 800.
Yeah. And also, I think it was a great steal. And
Yes.
if अगर आप bracelet ही सिर्फ अलग से लेने जाओ तो it cost around 1,000 rupees. So,
Yes, and also like they have got this idea from I think Daniel
Daniel
Wellington. They have similar watches with them, and obviously Daniel Wellington is like so expensive. So
it
like for
starts for around I think 15,000.
yeah,
or something.
15,000, 10-15,000
Yeah.
something on those lines. ये बहुत अच्छे price में मिला I guess, and also the quality is good and it's in the rose gold color as you can see. So we'll just wear and show you.
So we bought this watch from a official website of Joker
Yeah.
and Witch. We will tag it in the description box below if you are interested.
And yeah, this is how it looks. I think the bracelet gives a more
A unique touch.
unique touch to it. So yeah, we loved it.
Stars on